Good morning class and welcome to your science class. Which chapter is going on, student? Chapter 9. And this is air around us. The reading is completed. Explanation is also. Each and everything is completed now, students. I hope all of you read this chapter 2-3 times and your all doubts are clear now. And one more thing, student. Some students asking about the chapter 7. I tell you, chapter 7 is not in your syllabus. So leave that chapter. Okay? Chapter 8 is in your syllabus, chapter 9 and chapter 10 is also. Hope your all doubts are clear now. What is the air? What is wind? Air all around the earth, and air contains different kinds of gases like that oxygen, carbon dioxide gas, nitrogen and some other gases, and water vapor is also. Okay, and air contains smoke, dust and germs also, and the air spread the germs. Okay, and moving air is called, in short I tell you, moving air is called wind. Yes or no? Yes na? And it is the source of energies also. And strong wind, strong, sometimes the wind is very strong, that is very harmful for us, and it is damage our houses and our different properties is also. So this is very harmful for us sometimes. Okay, because storm is not good. And moving air is called wind, and it is the good for us because our life is depend on it. And breeze is a very gentle wind. Breeze is very gentle wind. Okay, and it feel cool on a hot day. Okay, and we should take a in breathing fresh air is also. After that I tell you the properties of air. Mainly three properties are: air has no smell, no taste, no color, only we can feel it. Air has weight, yes you know, and air take spaces also. Okay, and how we should clean the air? We should planting more and more trees, and in short distance we should go from our for walking and by the cycles. These steps if we are following now, it means we should stop the air pollution. In short I tell you this chapter. Then come to the today's class topic, and this is the book exercise. So students, open your book, ready with your book and pencil, page number 73 in your book. Today's topic is book exercise. Okay, hope your all doubts are clear now. Page number 73 to which page number? Today we are completing all book exercise from this chapter 75 in this video. Okay, then come to the first question. This is the tick mark. I mention now the answers only on the blackboard. So everyone students, open your book. First is tick the correct option to fill in the blanks. First is, I am reading now the first tick mark. Question number 1 is here. Take the correct option. Okay. First is, all living things need air too. Dash. The options are drink, B smell, C breathe, D wash cloths. Which one is right? The option C. Breathe. Everyone take this. Breathe. And this is C. Then question number 2. Animals breathe in dash from the air. The options are A. Carbon dioxide. No. B. Smoke. No. C. Water vapor. No. It's a D. Oxygen. And everyone take this answer. Number 3. Moving air is called. It is very easy question. The options are wind, B. air, C. storm, D. breeze. The right answer is wind. The moving air is called wind. So everyone write now this A option. Number 4 is strong wind causes A. Air, B. storm, C. breeze, D. none of these. Which one is correct? Correct is D. That is strong. Okay. The strong wind causes. What is the reason for strong wind? That is storm. Okay. Then number 5 is which of there is not a property of air? Which one is not a property of air? 3 properties are there in air. Air has weight. No. Air fills up space. No. B. Air can be seen. No. Yes. Air can be seen. We can see air. No, no. It means this is right answer. It is not property. Air can be seen. So everyone right now, this option is right. Okay. Then after that, we are moving now B point. B is true false. T means true and F means false. And listen student, all of you complete now this exercise in your book only. Don't write in your copy. Book exercises is complete in only in your book. Okay. Then first is germs can make us sick. Yes or no? Yes. It means first is true. Everyone write now. Second, we can see the air. No, we cannot see the air. It means this sentence we can see the air. No, na. It means this is false. Everyone write now. Third is bees can uproot trees and causes a lot of damage to house. No, breeze is a very gentle air. Yes, you know, that's why this sentence is false. Next is number 4 is, then everyone turn to the page. Next page is the heat of the sun change water of the sea into the water vapor. What is the meaning of this sentence, student? The heat of sun, it means sunlight, change the water into the water vapor. Yes, this sentence is true. Number 5 is here, using public transport like this bus, vans will be help to reduce smoke in the air. Yes, I am giving example in your school when you are when 25-26 students are coming together in a bus, that reduce the air pollution na, it means that sentence is true. So number 5 is true. Everyone completed now in your book. Okay, after that move now C number question, that is name the following. Okay, name the following. Okay, this question, name the following. First question is the types of wind that can make us feel cool on a warm day. What is the name of that wind? That is breeze. First. Okay. Everyone write now properly. Don't make a mistake. Okay. Second is particles that get mixed with the air and make it dirty. Tell me the name of particles. That is dust particles. Dust particles are, when these are mixed in the air, they are polluted the air. Okay. Question number 3 is here. Very small living things. Very small living things. It means we cannot see. That can make us fall sick. That are called germs. That are called germs. Yes, na? Number 4 is it helps us to fly a kite. Moving air. Only air you mention now. When the air is blowing, your kite is very high. Remember that, students. Then number 5 is the gas that human take in from the air to breathing. They are take now. Which gas is? That is oxygen. And it is the our life. Without oxygen, we cannot live. This gas is oxygen gas. Oxygen gas. Okay. After that, move to the I am genius. Let me the answer. Only mention now the answers I am also. And I will give you the heading I am genius. Okay. The next is I am a genius. Okay. I am reading about this question. First question is, according to this, what is the answer number 1? Answer number 1 is here. Question is, look at here everyone in your book. Which gas is released? Release means give out. By man while breathing out and taken by plants to make their own food. That gas is carbon dioxide. Which gas is? Carbon dioxide. Okay, then move to the answer number 2 is here. Question number 2 according to your book is, students, look at here. What is essential condition to rotate a windmill continuously? Which is the reason? When the wind is strong. Strong wind. Strong moving wind. When the wind is blowing, strong moving wind. That time the windmill is running. Okay. Then move to this exercise. Make a paper whistle. Make a paper whistle. This question answer. I am completed this question answer in next video. And I am the artist. This is the activity. So everyone do now this activity. Okay, student. This type you fold now the papers. And the middle of this paper, you make a hole. And after that you horn this whistle. This boy is enjoying with whistle. And here is a puzzle. You search out it and you complete it now in your book. After that, this is the value based skill. Question is, the school of Akshita and Rohan is very close to their house. Both are the friends. And Akshita goes to school by a bicycle. Akshita goes to the school by a bicycle. But Rohan goes to school by a scooter. Okay. They also go to the tuition class in the same manner. It means Akshita go to tuition by a bicycle and Rohan goes to tuition by a scooter. The question is here, who is responsible for air pollution? Who is, student? Think about the boy, Rohan. Yes or no? Because his means of transport is scooter. Okay. Then value based question. Value based skill question. This is page number I mentioned is also here 75. Page number 75. And which one is wrong? Answer is, everyone complete this question, Rohan. Okay? Because you put the boy name Rohan because this boy used to go school and tuition by a scooter. That's why he is responsible for air pollution. So students, your all book exercise is completed now. Everyone complete this exercise in your book. Okay, very neatly with the help of this video. Okay students, in next class we will meet you the copy work to completing copy work. Okay, thanks.